Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Finastro Cycles. My name is Nitin Bhandari and this is the update on Bitcoins and Nasdaq. What is happening in these two markets? This video will be also available on the Fibonacci Galactic Trader YouTube channel also. So what is the latest update on the Bitcoin? So Bitcoin, after a long time I'm updating. Last when I updated, I spoke about the Venus price line and what is the correlation of Venus price line with the Bitcoins. So these are the Venus price lines. These are the longer Venus price lines, and these are the smaller Venus price line which are lighter in the shade. So you see that every time there is an important support or resistance is there for the Venus price line. And yesterday the Bitcoins moved below the Venus price line. So this is a 360-degree and this is a 90-degree price line. It has moved below this Venus price line. Now this is a first rally support or resistance line. I give a lot of importance to the any market rallying first time and making a high or low, or dropping first time and making a high or low, that becomes very strong support or resistance point for the future. So this green line, which is a dark line, is very strong support for the Bitcoins at present. Another important point is these lines which are Uranus price line, and Uranus is having a strong correlation with the Bitcoins, as you see that here also, at this juncture, and in the past also. So this area for the Bitcoins between 42,134 and 40,227, this is a very strong support point. This is a basically a new cycle. This is the seventh, eighth week of this cycle, and Bitcoin has made a high here and now it started retracing. So I got a lot of questions that how much it can go, what can happen. So I take the help of simple Fibonacci retracements, how much it can come down from the top and where it should find a support. So this is a area which is a 38.2% retracement, and that matches with the Uranus price line. That is a strong support point. But in any bull market, any case, if this Bitcoin market is very bullish, it usually finds a support at 23.6% and 38.2%, anywhere in between these lines, and then it starts rallying up. That will denote that this cycle is super bullish. It is going to explode. But as I said, a healthy correction will stop somewhere between here and here. And what has happened to this current cycle? Let's see with respect to the current cycle, that how much it has fallen and how much it has retraced back. So if I take a high of these 65,000 odd, and if I take this one as a low and I see, so Bitcoin has rallied between 50% to 61.8% between these two figures, and now it has started correcting. So now with that perspective also, 42,633, that also is a strong support zone. So you see that lot of lines are here which are strong support point uh, between this zone here. So this area here, this is a very strong support zone for the Bitcoins in the coming days. What can happen technically? Technically, this is a this setup was here. Perfect divergence. The market was making a new high, but Bitcoins didn't make the technical indicators didn't make the new high. And now it has started a correction. So right now, still it is in the bullish zone. The moment it crosses below 48, that will surely go for a bearish uh, zone, and that will denote that there is a sharper correction possible. But as of now, looking at this Bitcoins, these two lines are very strong support area. One should keep eye keep an eye on these levels and watch these levels, how it works and how it behaves from here. So I'm expecting a drop for another week maybe. So this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6. So maybe another 4 week drop it can do it. It is possible to drop for another 3 4 weeks, and then again it can resume. I will try and give a update more regularly on the Bitcoins and Nasdaq. So this is all for Bitcoin right now. Let's see what is happening on the NQ. So as I mentioned in a couple of times in the previous videos, that Uranus price line somehow has an impact everywhere in all the markets. So here, this is a Uranus price line, and you see that the Nasdaq has been moving around these lines for quite a long time. So since July first week, it is hovering around these lines, and now it has broken below the Uranus price line. Yesterday, it closed at the Uranus price line. Right now, in the overnight market, as it is trading, it is below the Uranus price line. So what does this mean? This means that there could be a sharper correction, because this is the start of a new cycle. And if I see from here, I think it has corrected more than. So right now, as it is trading between 50% and 61.8%. Any market in the corrective mode, if it goes below 61.8%, there is a serious problem with this market, and there could be a sharp further downward movement. If you see, these are the Gann vertical lines, are these are the Gann reversal dates, reversal line. So this is the start of a cycle, and you see that here on the exact Gann reversal date, it made a high and it started correcting. So this becomes very important for time being. What is the further expectation on technical point of view? You can see that the stochastics have gone into bearish zone. So what you can expect from here, there is a probability it should hold at 14,600, and below it, it will be serious trouble. And what does that mean? Serious trouble means this is a 1 2 3 4. So fifth week bottom has to be here. If this bottom doesn't make here in the next 1 week, then we are bearish for at least 10 to 12 weeks. That will be serious correction for the Nasdaq. So right now, this is a bearish, but once it starts moving back above the Uranus price line, the uptrend will resume. Till then, it looks like it wants to go further down. So this is a quick update on Nasdaq as well, with the Bitcoins. Astrologically, there is a very strong aspect which is happening tomorrow, which is Sun opposite Jupiter. It is a very strong reversal aspect, and it is very intense energy. Uh, I can say in mundane astrology, it can be a bad energy. It can be a uh, it's not a auspicious energy. And on the same date, Uranus is turning retrograde. So these lines, when the planet is retrograde, these lines become weaker. So now, once it starts fall, the further fall, there could be a sharp downward move. So we can see that what is a smaller Uranus price lines. I'll go to the planetary price lines, and I'll change this to maybe a 90-degree instead of 360-degree. So we can see that where it can found the support zones. So the another support area is 13,943. And if I further divide it, and if I go to the 45 degrees, which is Gann's favorite angle, so that level is 14,402. A move back above will negate this bearish view, and then again the uptrend will resume. But right now it looks pretty bearish. So this is all about Nasdaq and Bitcoins. Happy trading. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching. This is a bit longer video, but it is a lot of information in it. Thank you so much.